In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in PDFescape. If you need to make quick changes to the wording inside a PDF, PDFescape's online editor makes it simple and doesn't require any downloads. All you'll need is a web browser, an internet connection, and the PDF you want to edit. Start by opening your browser and going to PDFescape.com. On the home page, look for the option to log in. Click Login to access the online tools with your account. Logging in ensures your documents are tied to your workspace and makes it easier to manage uploads. On the login page, choose Sign In using Google. This is the fastest way to get started if you already use Google. When your Google account chooser appears, select the account you want to use and complete the sign-in. You may be asked to confirm that PDFescape can view basic profile information. Proceed to continue. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your account area. Next, upload your PDF. Look for the upload option and select your file from your computer. You can usually drag and drop the file as well. If your document is very large or has complex graphics, give it a moment to process. When the upload completes, you'll see your file listed in your PDFs. Click your PDF to open it in the editor. With your document open, switch into editing by selecting Edit. This puts PDFescape into a mode where it can interact with existing text elements in the file. Now move your mouse over the text you want to change. When a text block is editable, you'll see a faint box outline appear as you hover. Click once inside that box. Your cursor will appear, and you can start typing to correct spelling, update dates, or replace paragraphs. As you edit, try to maintain the original formatting. Use the font, size, and alignment controls in the toolbar to match the existing style. If your new text doesn't fit, consider shortening the wording or slightly adjusting the font size so the layout stays clean. If nothing highlights when you hover, the text may be part of a scanned image. In that case, you won't be able to change it directly. You can add a new text box on top to cover and replace the old text, but results may vary depending on the background. When you're done editing, review the page for consistency and typos. That's it, your PDF text is updated using PDFescape's online editor. Thanks for watching and happy editing.